All right, making out real, you know what I'm saying? I'm laughing because fuck ass cat knocked some shit over. But anyways, um, get at me, you know what I'm saying? TPG Money Gang. Shout out Lloyd Banks. That's the only nigga I think from G Unit, like, even though that nigga ain't really with them niggas no more, but that's the only nigga from G Unit that I think was really killing. So I'm about to kill this beat, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, fuck it. Let's go. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Mars in the Mercedes, Mars in the Mercedes, Mars in the Mercedes, driving all these hoes crazy. I'm fresh, I'm fly, I'm so damn high. I got these niggas looking at me when I drive by, cause I'm cool, I'm smooth, and I'm so brand new. Get out your hood, motherfucker, I kick it at you, cause I got Mars in the Mercedes, Mars in the Mercedes, yeah, Mars in the Mercedes, driving all these bitches crazy, nigga, Mars in the Mercedes, Mars in the Mercedes, Mars in the Mercedes, driving all these ladies crazy. I'm fresh, nigga, I'm coolin'. Never been a bitch, motherfucker, I'm just foolin'. Gotta keep the clip, motherfucker, just pullin', just pushin', kick push 'em. Not a skateboarder, but I kick push 'em. Get the motherfucking bricks, look 'em. Motherfuckers never been a bitch, nigga, never been a snitch, nigga, with the ripper, get the lyrics, gotta get 'em, cause I live in spittin' fire. Bitch, I never retire, I come way harder with the wire through my mouth. Kanye West, what's up? Look, nigga, never been a bitch. Money on my chest, money in the bitch, money on the clip, nah, money in my pockets. Can't even fold it, can't even fold it, nigga, can't even hold it. So I gotta have a bag, nigga. Know I'm coming down with the crack in the bag, nigga. Trap in the back, nigga, coming way harder than these niggas ever seen. Shout out to the quarter, nigga, coming way harder, bitch. You know I get them harder, nigga. Huh. And shout out to New Orleans, nigga. Shout out to TPG. Shout out to Illy. Get them millies, nigga. Get them billies. Get them chilies. Let's kill these niggas on the fucking beats. Let's kill these niggas even on the fucking street. Street sweeper for your streets, nigga. We be bringing heat, nigga. Never been a bitch, nigga. Never been asleep, nigga. I always be awake, huh? Never been fake. Always be real, nigga. I'm trill. Bitch, just chill. Sign a motherfucking deal. Peel a fucking blunt, smoke it up. I smoke it up, let's get fucked up. Get lifted, I'm coming down, I'm just spitting, I'm coming down, I'm crying. Motherfuckers never be up in my town. I swear I'm running all around, running all around. Ha, swear I'm running all around. Look, ha. Y'all hear them? Y'all hear them sirens? I know y'all do. Y'all hear them sirens? Ha! Niggas spit that fire and kill this shit. You know what I'm saying? Fuck y'all niggas making all real. Dig. I be chilling this shit. Fuck with me. Making all real 7-4. If y'all just so happen to get on this video by accident, somebody told y'all about me, whatever the fucking case may be, remember, it's making all real 7-4. It's all one word. It's not hard to remember. You know what I'm saying? Dig me. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, like, favorite. I don't give a fuck what you do, nigga. Comment. I don't give a fuck, nigga. But fuck with me. It's making all real. Let's go. Ah. All right. Look. Okay. We're gonna go with another beat. All right. Check me out. Look. You ready? Fuck it. All right. Yeah. Yeah. A nigga with it. I be spitting, bitch, nigga. Never been a hoe. Gotta click the clip, nigga. Gotta keep the clip, nigga. Cherry red Ferrari. Never been a bitch. Shout out to Takari. I'm a real ass nigga. I'm a trill ass nigga. I'm a chill ass nigga. Son of deal ass nigga. Go. And I be coming way hard. Never been a bitch. Push you in the car, meet more motherfucker. Put your brains on the street, street smart motherfucker. Yeah, I'm coming hard, bitch, nigga. Keep the clip, motherfucking clip, 100 clip, drum clip. Bitch, you know that I be with all them real niggas that be spitting, getting with this. I'm lyrical than a bitch, nigga, you can't get with this. I be just spitting from my mind, no. Never been a hoe, gotta do it one more time, no. For the fucking flow, I'm a real ass nigga, I'm a chill ass nigga, get the deal ass nigga, then peel out nigga in that Lambo, Ferrari, Mercedes, bitch, I come down and I keep all these ladies crazy, you know, these niggas hate me cause I be getting flaky. Getting crazy, getting faded, getting way, and these niggas, bitches, I be spitting, getting with this. I can't fuck these niggas up, so I'ma get that fucking pistol and shoot them up in the mouth. Nigga, who's just with you? I'm in it. I never been a bitch, so I'm a real nigga, ho. Never been a hoe, so I'ma bring it for them niggas, though. I'm coming down for real, nigga. Shot town soldier, shot town night. I'm a dark night holder. Fuck these niggas, I be spitting, coming down, and I just get it. Motherfuckers can't get with this, so why do y'all even try? I'm a motherfucking nigga till I motherfucking die. And all these niggas really try, but why all these niggas got a lot? I'm coming down, what these niggas want. I'm coming down. Look, it's 2 times. Look. Alright. Okay. I never stop on the track. I swear I'm coming back for them real niggas. But I ain't never been out. I'm coming real hard in my own fucking house, in my own fucking spout. Own fucking mouth full of millions. Know I'm coming down with them trillions. Nigga, them feelings gotta get them niggas hands to the ceiling. Bitch, you know I'm smoking on that shit. Keep them real and I keep them high. Keep them high, keep them high. Get your hands up to the sky. If you be feeling what I'm saying, I be spraying on these hoe ass niggas. Keep at AK and fuck these bitch ass niggas all up in their face. Never been a hoe, so I ain't ever caught a fucking case. I just leave up out the sight. All these hoe ass niggas, and I come back the next night, then leave a whole family in the grave. I'm so crazy, bitch, I'm so crazy. Man, I'm not an actor, y'all niggas Patrick Swayze. Look, alright, yeah, alright, yeah, alright, okay. Okay, there's lemonade, cherry limeade in my car, bitch, you know how we do it, bitch, you know we are all TPG, True Profit Gang, real niggas, we just gon' fucking maintain that real shit, that motherfucking top spot. Never been a hoe with these niggas, got a cop block for. I'm a real ass nigga with that rip, fuck for, leave it bustin', motherfucker, block, block, let 'em go to the crack, in the crack of the grave, in the grave of the crack in the ground. But you know what I say, I never play, motherfucker, I just do it, then I say it like I said in that one fucking freestyle. I mean it, motherfucker, I just mean it when I'm saying I'm on team where we getting that shit. Yeah, we getting that green and just me, motherfucker. Really, I'm just mean, motherfucker, like I said it. What I mean, motherfucker, nah, I mean, motherfucker. Never been a hoe. Bitch, I'm running over all these hoes. Bitch, y'all know that I'm a real ass nigga making all real. Always keep a real ass trigger. Get them down, that's for real. I'm a hood ass figure. Ha. You know what I'm saying? Making all real. I did a 9-minute freestyle for y'all niggas. So, I think I should call it a night. You know what I'm saying? Even though I was fucking around and shit. Fuck it. Holla at me. Making all real. Let's go.